Hello everyone. So my name is Fantaser and today I am going to show a short automation which I created for my personal stuff for Facebook post automation. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. What this automation does is this automatically post images which I have already created and uploaded on my drive, and it automatically extract that from the drive and upload it to my Facebook. So you can use Facebook authentication as well, which you can find it from Facebook API. But I'm not using that one because it is not consistent. It expires after 1 month or 3 months if you can expire it. But I'm using another tool which is called Potato over here, which I will explain further how you can get it and what exactly this is. So what this automation does is that it triggers automatically 4 times a day at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. What it does is automatically fetch the unposted images from the sheet. So I've created a short sheet over here. Let me explain you over here. So these are basically the file names of which the same name has been uploaded on the Google Drive. And one column is about the posted yes or no. So this only confirms if the file is being posted yes or no. So in this node, what I have done is that I automatically attached the sheet and it is filtering out that specific column on posted. Whenever it is no, it is going to post that specific image. So you may be thinking there are so many posters over here showing no. So what I have done is that I have filtered out one post that it will only go with only specific next item, which is the first in the sheet. Then what I have done is over here is that then it is going to find the same specific photos in the Google Drive, searching exactly that specific file over here in that my Google Drive account, and it is then going to download that image as JSON ID. So there is one catch over here. For this specific tool which I'm using, it needs a public URL to get it uploaded on the Facebook. So what I have done over here is that as Google Drive just provides the you can say image JSON ID. It's not providing a public URL. So what I've done is that I'm just using this node specifically, which basically transforms your ID, JSON file ID into the public URL, which is called a media URL. This you can create from the ChatGPT or any kind of tool. What it does, it automatically transforms your JSON ID into public URL. Then this is basically a Potato, which is a third-party tool, which I'm going to explain you over here. If you go on Google, search Potato. Oh, shit. Sorry. Potato. This is AI automation content which you can use a third-party tool like to automate, create some kind of videos or post it on your social media platforms without any API. So what I have done is you go on to that, go to the settings. Here you need to get the API of that Potato account. I have already created it. So you can just copy the API key from here. Go on to the API credentials. Select the API over here and select the back-end server, which you can find it in the documentation of this API as well. In this document, it's already listed. So once you have done this, then what you need to do is then you need to log in your specific social media account over here, which you need to get it posted. Like I've connected my account over here. Then you will copy your account ID, and then what you need to do is that whenever you're going to upload that specific account over here or post, you are going to add this Facebook page ID over here in this n8n whenever you are going to upload it. So next what I'm going to do is that first it upload to the Potato server like you have seen over here, the public media. It requires public media URL over here in the upload section, and then it posts it to your Facebook page or profile wherever you want. And what it does is that you can find like operation, you have to create post over here. Potato account credentials are already connected as I showed you before. Select your specific account, then select your specific page, and then we are passing the public URL which already been uploaded onto the Potato server and posting over here. And then in the end, what it does, it automatically map each column to posted as yes, so it could confirm that Facebook image has been posted. So this is the whole automation which it was. It's basically very easy and easy to do. And if you have any questions regarding that, so please do let me know. I'll help you. Yes, one for sure. This is a pay to you. I guess around $25 or $30 a month you need to pay for this one. So thank you for your time. If you have any question, do let me know.